Meaning of ice cube.
Ice cube.
Ice cube.
Ice cube.
Ice cube. Ice cube refers to a small, typically cubicle-shaped piece of ice used for cooling beverages or other liquids. It is commonly made by freezing water in an ice cube tray. Ice cubes are often used in bars, restaurants, and homes to chill drinks, and can also be used to treat injuries and reduce swelling. In addition to their practical uses, ice cubes have also become a cultural symbol, appearing in movies, songs, and popular culture. Overall, ice cube is a simple yet versatile object with both functional and symbolic significance.